All right, guys, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you guys are watching this video from. I hope you guys are having a great one. But yeah, in this video, I'm just going to take you guys with me and show you guys my process on setting up multicolor prints on Bambu Lab Studios, and I'm going to be using my Bambu Lab P1S. So I haven't really gone too far into the process, but first step, guys, is you want to set up your guys' filament. So to do that, you guys just want to go to this area right here where it says project filaments. So you guys just want to enter your guys' filament, all the info, all that good stuff. For example, slot number 1, just click where it says Overture PLA, and you can pretty much choose what brand of filament you guys are using. I believe if you do not have like any of the brands on here, just pick whatever. I usually just go for Overture PLA and just choose if it's matte PLA or PLA. You guys can also choose the color as well. Just click on the number or the color on the slot and you're able to choose what color you guys need and just click OK. And again, same thing. Just fill it out as close as you can to the filament that you guys have. So I'm just going to go with Overture, and this filament is actually matte PLA. So I'm just going to go with matte. And once you guys got all this stuff squared out, you're just going to want to right click on the model. Then from here, you can pretty much choose what filament you guys want. So like right now, I chose black, and I'm just going to hover my crosshair over the print. All right, so there's a white outline on the model right now. So I'm just going to click it, but I want to make this a blue. So I'm just going to click on the blue. Then I'm just going to hover my mouse over the print model that I want the color to be. And you'll see the white outline. Then just click it. There you go. And I also forgot, you guys want to make sure that you guys use the fill tool type on the bottom here. And you pretty much just do the same process throughout all of the prints. All I'm going to do now is just go ahead and slice plate. So there you go. Everything's all green. Everything's all good. And all I'm going to do now is click print plate. You're pretty much all set to go. All right, guys, so my multicolor 3D print is finally done. And yeah, I mean, it looks awesome. All right, so here is the bigger piece of my multicolor 3D print, again, on my Bambu Lab P1S. And here is the smaller pieces right here. And here's the tower that the Bambu Lab also 3D prints when it's switching out filament, and it also looks really, really cool as well. So I think I'm going to keep this in remembrance for my very first multicolor print on my Bambu Lab P1S. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the supports. Wow. I am very surprised on how easy the supports came off the print. That is awesome. Perfect. I mean, look at that. It just comes right off. Okay. All right, so there's also supports on the bottom here where I can attach the other parts to this print, and removing the supports are actually very easy as well. I mean, look at that. There it is. And I mean, look how clean it is on the inside there. All right, so I pretty much got all the supports removed on the bigger part of this print. And I mean, this print looks amazing. I mean, look at this. I mean, look at the detail. All right, so I'm just gonna remove the supports on the smaller parts of the print. All right, so now I got all the supports removed also from the smaller parts of this 3D print. Now I'm gonna start putting everything together. And look how everything just slides right into place. Just like that. Wow, I mean, everything is just coming together. It's just like putting a Lego together, guys. All right, so I only got 2 more pieces here to put on, and we should be good to go. But yeah, everything is just snapping right into place, guys. It's just like putting Lego together. All right, guys, so the final reveal. Here is my very first multicolor print on my Bambu Lab P1S. And yes, I 3D printed a Labubu. Now, I'm not gonna lie, at first I was not a fan of the Labubus. I mean, I had no idea what a Labubu was. But I gotta say, I am a fan of Labubus now because of this 3D printed Labubu that I 3D printed on my Bambu Lab P1S. And I mean, look at the detail, and which is why I chose to 3D print a Labubu, because I was very curious on how the detail of like the fur would come out on a 3D print, and it came out amazing. I mean, look at the detail on this 3D print, like for the hair. I mean, that looks insane. But yeah, if you guys are thinking of getting a Bambu Lab P1S, this is the results that you can expect when 3D printing in multicolor. And again, it looks awesome. It looks amazing. I mean, I just love this thing. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That way you guys don't miss out on other multicolor prints that I do with my Bambu Lab P1S. Stay inspired, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.